So you know, a lot of students tell you कि यार अहमदाबाद जाना चाहिए. There'll be someone who will tell you यार FMS जाना चाहिए. There are students who can also tell you कि मुझे Bangalore जाना चाहिए because of ABC reasons. But the best decision is comparing all of them on different parameters. This is an exclusive video that's going to compare A, B, C, L, and FMS on different parameters. Hit the like button, subscribe to SuperGradSCAD, and stick till the end because some interesting parameters on very interesting parameters. We are going to compare all these four colleges. Chalo, without any further ado, let's get started. Number one is the history and establishment. Ahmedabad 61 में establish होता है, Bangalore 73, Calcutta being the oldest time before even IIM Ahmedabad 61, Lucknow 84, FMS Delhi 1954. So when you talk about IIMs, this institute it has turned up before IIMs as well. FMS I'm talking about. Okay, so there are some historical notable achievements of each and every one of them. But yes, rather than exploring that particular segment, let me look into the comparing program. So let's look into the program fees of each and every one of the colleges. IIM Ahmedabad charges you 27 lakh rupees for the period of 2 years. I'm Bangalore, not far, not less. 26 lakh rupees, Calcutta around 27 lakh rupees, but you know, Lucknow charges approximately 21 lakh rupees. So if you are looking, the fees for a segment, then Lucknow is one that is charging way lesser than the top ABC IIMs. And FMS Delhi is the ROI king of the country, charging you just 2.32 lakh rupees for the period of 2 years. Okay. Then after fees, let's look into the average packages as well. Ahmedabad gave 35.5 lakh rupees this year. Bangalore, somewhere same. Calcutta, 36.79 lakh rupees. Lucknow, 32.3 lakh rupees. And FMS Delhi, 34.1 lakh rupees. So these are last 2 years data only. Median salary, if you can see, Ahmedabad 34.59, Bangalore 33.1, Calcutta 30.41, Lucknow 31 lakh rupees, and these figures clearly tell you all of them are over and above 30 lakh rupee bracket. Okay. Now, before we proceed, I'll highly recommend CAT 2025 mini mock test series, जिसकी लिंक हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन या फर्स्ट कमेंट में नीचे दी हुई है. 10 फैंटास्टिक मॉक्स दैट विल हेल्प यू नाउ. कैट बहुत पास में है, बट इन मॉक्स के साथ आपका बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वर्जन पूरी तरीके से चेंज हो सकता है. सो राइट द फर्स्ट मॉक टुडे itself free of cost and check this particular test series. Very affordable, 299 bucks only for the CAT examinations. So you can also check more products from our site on toprankers.com. Okay, now let's proceed and talk about highest salary packages as well. Ahmedabad has given 1.1 CR highest package, Bangalore 1 crore, Calcutta 1.37, Lucknow 75 lakhs, and FMS Delhi 58 lakh rupees. So highest package wise, if you are considering, then IIM Calcutta is the clear winner over here. Okay. Now let's look into the student life and extracurriculars. So the festival chaos is the an annual cultural fest attracting over 80,000 participants from 500 plus institutes. About IIM Ahmedabad, I'm talking about, featuring pro shows, workshops, and competitions. Bangalore's Unmad is also really famous, a flagship cultural fest with music, dance, and art performances drawing attendees from various colleges. Then IIM Calcutta conducts 7 Lakes Fest, an international college fest combining Intaglio, that is a business summit, Carpe Diem, Cultural Fest, and 7 Lakes Run sports spread over 3 days. Then IIM Lucknow conducts Menfest Varchaswa. Menfest Varchaswa, an annual 3 day festival with business, cultural, and sports events, including case competitions and performances. Then FMS Delhi conducts Piasta and North India's biggest management, cultural, and sports fest, featuring business games, paper presentations, and workshops. So names of the different festivals, and some of them are conducting at huge level. As you can see, IIM Ahmedabad conducting and hosting 80,000 participants. And international also, the festival like IIM Calcutta 7 Lakes Fest are very popular, right? Unmad is also very popular, guys. Then let's talk about the alumni base. So as old college gets, alumni also is getting bigger. You can see 41,000 alumni of IIM Ahmedabad, 25,000 of Bangalore, 30,000 of Calcutta, 20,000 of Lucknow, and over and above 10,000 of FMS Delhi. Alumni hold leadership positions across in sectors like consulting, finance, and entrepreneurship. Notable alumni like Raghuram Rajan, former RBI governor, are from IIM Ahmedabad, and Kiran Majumdar Shaw as well. Okay. Then you can also see people like Swami Mukunandana and Krishnamurti Subramaniam. You can also see people like Suhail Samir and Alumni K. You can also see, so then these are the names who have holding some posts somewhere on a very, very high level. Alumni are influential in sectors like banking, government, entrepreneurship. Notable alumni like Dinesh Kumar Khara and Harit Nagpal are from FMS Delhi. So these are from different colleges, but all of them have got good representations and CXOs and CEOs of different firms of the country. So all five looked up to colleges in that particular regard as well. Okay. Now let's look into the key USPs. Oldest premier IIM is IIM Ahmedabad and globally recognized, known for case study method teaching, rigorous academics, and it spearheads the Indian-based schools. I can clearly say strong entrepreneurship consulting focus, large alumni base, global leadership presence, renowned Chaos Fest and active clubs, and all MBBs, Big Fours turning up over here, as well as in Bangalore. Bangalore, known for its fantastic campus as well, academic excellence, research, technology, analytics, and now entrepreneurship, playing key role in entrepreneurship, international collaborations, exchange programs. So, Bangalore is leading in all those things, and location advantage is always taking, right? Calcutta, then finance and analytical powerhouse, so also known as Joka, and known for quantitative rigor and finance focus. And the Fest 7 Legs is really, really powerful over there. Excellent placement track record, particularly in investment banking side, right? I am Lucknow, standing bit lower than the other three colleges, but it's getting very stronger in HR and operations. Focus on holistic student development, host manifest Varchasva, a mix of business, cultural, and sports event. Then finalist FMS Delhi. Okay, ROI wise, it's the king of the country, known for finance consulting roles, and all the top, your recruiters, MBBs, and Big Four also coming over here as well. So these were the key comparison between the top colleges. Yes, wherever you land, it's going to actually make your life. For more content like this, you need to keep coming where on Supergrads Cat. उसके लिए करना क्या होगा? Subscribe करना पड़ेगा इस चैनल को. You can check our free content for Cat Prep on Telegram channel of Supergrads and Instagram channel also you can follow. For any for any query, you can reach out to us on 6363286363. Thank you. Thanks a lot.